Sup guys, on today's video we're going to talk about why is my phone overheating. Why is your phone overheating, not mine, because you're watching video. I know you might have a problem, so I'm going to show you how to fix all the problems so that your phone can stop overheating. So generally a lot of people have these problems, and from there your phone's battery can be dead, honestly. And if your phone's battery is dead, you have to change another one. So here we are, and I'm going to show you some things you can do, 7 to 8 things to fix your phone and make it stop getting always hot. So the first thing here, phones get hot because of a lot of apps running in background like this. You have to clear it all. That's the first thing to do. And secondly, you have to go to the app store. Go to the app store and make all your apps up to date. And then thirdly, stop using your phone while charging, because it's a main problem itself, and place your phone on plane mode when you only need basic functionality. This really helps a lot. And the fourth way to stop your phone from getting hot is to avoid direct sunlight. Honestly, using your phone in direct sunlight is a serious problem to the battery and its screen itself, so you have to be really careful when using your phone in sunlight. Avoid using your phone in sunlight. And if your phone is hot, you should give it a rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I think it will cool down. If you are not careful, the battery can actually lose its ability to charge, leaving you without a working phone. And the next thing, after putting your phone on a plane mode, don't forget to reduce the brightness down and the volume. So I think we are done, and if you gain anything from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Peace.